Hola Jimena, this is Carolyn Gill, and I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to find the audio for the AP Spanish work text, and I'll also show you where to find the audio for Temas. So you'll click on the cover, and it will take you into the landing page for AP Spanish. Hover over Content and then go down to Resources. Within Resources, you'll see some headings down the left-hand side of the page, and you'll see audio files. And this has all of the audio for the program. If you click on the audio file, you'll see it'll pop up and open down here. Once it loads totally, you can open it and then listen to it and preview it. Preview it for your students. And then with Temas, the same. Let me go back to my landing page here. And click on Temas. And then go up to the top. Content, Resources. And then you have your audio for the testing program as well as for the textbook. You click on that and then it'll take you into the tema and the audio for that. So please let me know if you have any questions. As I said in my email, there is no Instructors Teachers Edition for the Temas program. Let me know if I can do anything else, and I'm here to help in any way I can. Okay, thanks.